Hi students, MCQ number 16. For a gas, gamma is equal to 5 by 3 and 640 cubic centimeter of this gas is suddenly compressed to 80 cubic centimeter. If the initial pressure is P, then we have to find the final pressure. So what is given here? The initial volume is given. So the initial volume V1 is equal to 640 cubic centimeter. So this is converted into meter cube. So 640 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter cube. Okay. Then the final volume is V2. So V2 is equal to 80 cc. So 80 centimeter cube. This is equal to 80 into 10 power minus 6 meter cube. And gamma is equal to 5 by 3. Initial pressure is P. So P1 is equal to P. Final pressure has to be determined. Now first of all, indirect hint is given that it is suddenly compressed, means the process is adiabatic. Any sudden and rapid, very fast process must be adiabatic. So for adiabatic process, actually here it is compression, okay. So for adiabatic process, the equation of state relating pressure volume is PV power gamma is equal to constant. Okay. Therefore P1 into V1 raised to the power gamma must be equal to P2 into V2 raised to the power gamma. Now what is required is P2. Therefore I can take the ratio P2 by P1. Okay. Therefore P2 divided by P1 must be equal to V1 by V2. So V1 by V2 whole power gamma. So what is V1 and V2? The values are given here. So this 10 power minus 6 common factor only. So we can divide 640 by 80. So this is equal to 640 divided by 80 whole power gamma is 5 by 3. So whole to the power of 5 by 3. So 0 and 0 get cancelled. 64 by 8 is 8 itself. 8 8s are 64. So this must be what? 8 raised to the power 5 by 3. Now 8 can also be written as 2 cube. Is it not? So this must be equal to what? 2 cube whole to the power of 5 by 3. So mathematical steps here you are going to involve. So this power 3 and 1 by 3 get cancelled. So that this will be equal to what? 2 power 5. Or P2 by P1 is equal to 2 power 5. So what is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2? 2 power 5, is it not? So this must be equal to 64. Okay. So 2 power 5 must be equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 4 4s are 16, it is 32. Understand that? Therefore P2 must be equal to 32 times P1. That is equal to 32P. So option C must be the correct answer. Okay. Therefore option C is the correct answer. So here first you should understand the process is adiabatic and the appropriate equation of state you have to choose and you have to substitute the values correctly. Okay. So we get the answer option C. Okay, is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.